What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be an update about my tradings. Okay, so yesterday it could have been a great day. It could have been a great trading day, but I chickened out. And I know why. Because usually, prior to yesterday, I always did my trades late afternoon at my time. Okay, guys. So right now it's 13:14. Okay, so usually I do my trades in the afternoon, but yesterday I did my trades in the morning, and usually in the morning the market's not open yet. Okay, so when I launched my bots and placed my trades, okay, the market was even open, even though crypto market you can trade 24 hours every day. Okay, there are specific times of the day where the market is more volatile than others. Okay, so what I did, my mistake was I placed my trades in the morning and let it roll. Okay, so when I start looking at the charts in the afternoon, I was like, damn, I start seeing those red figures. So I was like, okay, I need to shut these things down, because if the market keeps going up, because I place shorts like I showed you in the previous video, I'm gonna get stopped in every single trade. But I only got stopped in one trade, Solana. Okay, Solana screwed me up really bad. Okay, so my stop loss was at 7%. I didn't think Solana would hit this 7%, but it did, as you can see right here. I was expecting Solana to hit this resistance level and go down, okay, go down, but it did the opposite. But over here in this area, there is nothing. All right, there is nothing. So I was wrong in regards to Solana. But if okay, so I had I deployed a trade on ETH as well. So as you can see, this is my shorts on ETH. And if I didn't manually cancel the trade, all right, I would be in profits. Okay, I would be in profit, and I would be in. So I'll start my trade over here. I would be like 3% profit. Okay, 3% profit. But I canceled their bots. Right, same goes to BNB. I had a short position for BNB, and as you can see right here, I would have had made um, price range. So I start my position here. So let's say here, I would have made 3% right there. Okay, guys. And the other one was XRP. I would have made some profits too, but I chickened out. I'm gonna confess, I chickened out, right? Because I got stopped um, on Solana, and then I was like, man, I'm gonna cancel the other ones because I don't want to be canceled on the other ones. Because if Solana is pumping, all the other ones are going to pump as well. Because Bitcoin was pumping, so I was like, let me just call it a day. Okay, so if I was like 0.006% down, BNB I was broke even, and XRP I was like 0.0 something down. Okay, so the loss on BNB, XRP, and ETH was minimal, okay, just a few cents. But Solana, I was 7% down. I got stopped by the stop loss, and then as soon as I got this first stop loss, I was like, man, let me cancel the other ones because I don't want to lose any more money today. Okay, so that was my mistake. I chickened out and I placed my trade in the morning, right? So otherwise, it would have been a beautiful day. So 3% here, 3% there, 3% there, 9%. On Solana lost 7%. So in total, overall would be a 2% gain just in one day. Okay. But it is what it is. The more we trade, the more we learn. Okay. So as far as today, I haven't placed any trade yet, because like I said to you, I'm gonna wait a little longer, right? So the coins that I'm looking to trade today, it's AVAX, okay? So AVAX, as you can see right now, we have a bullish chart pattern, okay? So as you can see right here, the highs, are practically the same, okay? And the lows, we are getting higher lows. They are getting higher and higher, and this is a bullish, this is a bullish trend, and hopefully, uh, the Matic will break on the upside. Okay, Matic will come over here and go up. Okay, And that's what I'm waiting for. What I will do, I will place later on today, as soon as I see the confirmation right there, okay, I will place a long position. Okay, I'm going to place a long position probably here, somewhere around here. And yeah, I am going to go long. As far as I'm going, so that's 7%. So I'm just going to place a long position, probably, let me have a look, around here. Okay, so that's 4% gains, and my stop loss, I'm going to place it right here. Okay, so in order for me to deploy these trades, all right, I need a confirmation. So AVAX has to break above this right line. Okay, so as soon as I see a confirmation right here, big green candlestick, I'm going to place the order. Otherwise, I'm just going to hold on to it. So if you break on the downside, I'm going to go short instead of long. Okay, simple as. But either way, AVAX will either go up or down. Okay, so I don't believe you're going to go sideways anymore, right? So that's the number one. Number two is XRP. XRP, I'm looking to go short, right? So for the XRP, I'm going to deploy a short position. As you can see right here, is going down. And then from here, I believe it will bounce back up. So we have a potential to make a profit right here, profitable trades right here. So I would set my stop loss around here and my take profits around here. Okay, so it's about 1.5% gains. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do in regards to XRP. Okay, so I'm going to deploy a trade on a bot on this one right here. So I'm going to deploy a short one. All right, next one up, we have the BNB. So right now BNB is on the a support level where it touches it touched this support level many times, as you can see right here in the past, right? So I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen. Okay, if BNB breaks below this white line, I'm going to go short. If BNB breaks bounces back up, I'm going to go long. Okay, and yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. So I'm gonna wait till later today. So hopefully in a few hours, we're gonna see either the price going up or price going down. If goes up, I'm gonna go long. If goes down, I'm gonna go short. Okay, next one up, it's Phantom. Okay, Phantom, I'm not gonna deploy neutral bot anymore. Screw that. I'm tired of getting screwed by Phantom. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, so Phantom right now, it's on the major resistance level. Okay, so 48. Then again, it's just like BNB. I'm gonna wait a few more hours and see where Phantom is going. Okay, so if Phantom keeps coming back down, okay, wait, what's going on here? If Phantom keeps coming back down, I'm gonna go short. If Phantom pumps back up, I'm gonna go long. Okay, so those are the 4 coins that I'm going to trade today. So if right now, it's very difficult to say if it's going up or down. Okay, so I'm not gonna touch ETH today, and Solana, definitely not gonna touch it today, even though Solana is pumping. I'm not gonna touch Solana today. I'm gonna wait and see. So let me zoom out a little bit so I can show you. So as you can see, it touched the previous top right here. Okay, so on the 20th of March, okay, it touched the 2390, and yesterday it touched the 2390 again. So you revisit that level, right? So where Solana can go from here. Okay, so this is a major resistance, as you can see right here, previous levels. Solana touched that multiple times. So I believe that Solana will go down. So let me trace a horizontal line right here. So yeah, as you can see, touch that many times, right? So no thanks, I'm good. So let's have a look at the chart. So yesterday again, it touched on the white line and feels like it's going back down. So if Solana goes back down, we'll see. we'll see. I might place a trade on Solana. I might go short on Solana if the price comes over here to test this level again, and if it gets rejected, will be a short position. Okay, so if it gets rejected from here to here, it's a 5%. Okay, it is a 5%, so there's a potential trade right here. So those are the coins. So let me get rid of ETH. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 coins, 5 potential coins. So 5 potential trades today. Okay, so later today, if I see a confirmation on any of these coins, I'm gonna make a live video, go live on Bybit, and show you what I'm gonna do with those trades, what I'm gonna place my longs, my stop losses, and take profits. Okay, but yes, I just wanted to give you an update about price charts and the coins that I'm looking to trade today. Okay, guys, so remember, this is the Bybit challenge. I'm trying to convert 1,000 USDT into 2,000 USDT in 30 days, and today is day number 2. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.